Hey YouTube, I've got a 2010 Kia Forte EX with the 2.0 liter. I got the car at just under 100,000. As you can see, it's got only 131,000 kilometers. It runs well, minus the squealing belt. But ever since we've had the car, since 100,000 kilometers, it's had a weird ticking noise. Almost like something in the head has an issue. I'll show you what I mean. As I'm sure you guys can hear, this thing sounds like it's ready to blow up, but I assure you it's not. I'm 100% positive it's not the bottom end. Other than that, I don't really know what it is. After a little bit of research, I've seen other people who've had similar issues like this with the butterfly valves in the intake manifold. I can't seem to find any solenoids for that specific valve, if this car even has one, but this very loud ticking, chugging, clicking, clattering, whatever noise you want to call it, goes away when there's tension on the motor. I'll rev the motor up a little bit right now and give you guys a listen. So yeah, that's the problem I have been dealing with for this last little while. It's really frustrating. I don't want to have to pull a motor apart unless I know exactly what I have to fix. So if any of you guys are encountering the same issue or have encountered the same issue and fixed it, please let me know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.